How to fix Snapchat verification code not received. So if you're facing a problem with Snapchat verification code, then the first and the only thing you need to check is the notifications. If you have turned off the notifications, then you won't receive the notifications or the code. So open up your settings and then go for apps and notifications and go for see all apps and open up your Snapchat, and then here go for the first option, which is notifications, and then make sure that you have turned on all of your Snapchat notifications, and this might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can go back and go for storage and cache and then tap on clear cache, and this might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix, then the next thing you need to do is you need to check your information. Like if you have provided the wrong phone number or the wrong email address, then you won't receive the code to your mobile number. So check the mobile number and the information that you have provided, if it is right or wrong. And after checking that, you can check your internet connection, and if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply open up your Play Store and go for the search bar and search for Snapchat. And after searching, if you have an update option, then you can simply tap on update, and you need to update your Snapchat application. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.